How to block ads on Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on Settings. And here you need to scroll down to the Advanced section, and from there click on Site Settings. Here you need to scroll down to Ads, and as you can see the ads are allowed and turned on. So what you need to do is turn off the toggle next to it by clicking on it, and this means that when you do this, the Google Chrome will block ads on sites that show intrusive or misleading ads. And also you need to turn off the pop-up and redirects, because sometimes there are some ads that can be that can appear as pop-ups or redirects. So what you need to do is turn off this toggle also, and by doing this Google Chrome will block sites from showing pop-ups and redirects, which is recommended, as you can see. So that was it for this video. That's how you can block ads in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.